Welcome aboard the Etihad Airways Airbus A350-1000. Discover the ultimate comfort in business class with 44 luxurious Collins Aerospace Vector suites featuring sliding privacy screens and 79-inch flatbeds. For the best experience, choose the Center DG suites for added privacy. In economy, opt for rows 20 to 24, offering extra legroom with a 35-inch pitch. Enjoy top-notch entertainment on the Panasonic EX3 system with Bluetooth pairing available in all classes. Avoid middle seats in rows 25 to 57 for a more spacious experience. Which airplane do you want us to explore next? Comment below.